Hey there, welcome back to Paediatric Puzzles, your one stop shop for all things kiddo care, with yours truly, Dr. Vivek Vishwanathan. Today's episode tackles a crucial topic for our little post surgery champions nutrition. After surgery, proper nutrition plays a vital role in healing and recovery. But let's face it, sometimes enticing a recovering child to eat can feel like a battle in itself. So, how do we fuel these tiny fighters with the nutrients that they need to bounce back strong? Well, buckle up because we are diving headfirst into the world of post surgery nutrition for kids. The power of proper fuel. Think of food as the building blocks for healing. The right nutrients provide the energy and resources your child's body needs to repair itself and fight off infection. Skipping meals or relying on sugary snacks can hinder the healing process and leave your little one feeling weak and cranky. Picking the winning plate. So, what should be your post surgery grocery list? Well, here are some key guidelines. Protein power. Protein is essential for tissue repair and building strength. Include lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, and dairy products in your child's meals. Vitamin powerhouse. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support the immune system and promote healing. Aim for a rainbow of colors on their plate. Hydration hero. Water is crucial for transporting nutrients and flushing out waste. Encourage your child to sip water throughout the day, especially after surgery. Small bites, big impact. Remember, post-surgery appetites might be smaller. Offer frequent, smaller meals and snacks instead of forcing large portions in one go. Beyond the plate. Nutrition isn't just what goes on the plate. Here are some additional tips. Make it fun. Presentation matters. Get creative with food arrangements. Use cookie cutters for fun shapes or involve your child in meal prep. Get those MasterChef juices flowing. Listen to their body. Don't force foods that they dislike. Offer a variety of healthy options and let them choose what they feel comfortable eating. Supplements if needed. In some cases, your doctor might recommend vitamin or mineral supplements to fill any nutritional gaps. Fueling champions one bite at a time. Remember, every bite counts. By providing your child with the right nutrients, you are equipping them with the tools that they need to heal, regain strength, and emerge from surgery as true champions. If you have any questions or concerns about your child's post-surgery nutrition, always consult your pediatric surgeon. And don't forget to leave any tips or tricks you've discovered in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy, keep puzzling, and peace out.